I've been tagged in this post a few different times. This woman says, my husband told me today he does not like my fun lunches I've been packing for him for work for almost 3 years. She says, I'm 26. We have been together for 3 years, married 8 months. She purposely leaves his age off. Someone asked, or a couple of people asked in the comment section, dude is 40 years old. So there is a 14-year age gap. Okay, so she says, I'm not complaining about him. I'm just a little sad because I genuinely thought I was making him happy and I put so much thought into it, I'm almost embarrassed. I would sit on Pinterest on Sundays looking for ideas, but when he saw me today, he told me the truth that he thinks it's embarrassing and leaves half of it in his office if he's eating with other guys at work. I always bake everything from scratch. So on Sundays, I do bread, muffins, cookies, etc. I was making them in shapes like hearts. He owns an entertainment law firm, so when baking sometimes, I did a little law related designs on stuff. I know it sounds silly, but he always stressed, so I thought it would make him smile. And I was also adding a note with a little Polaroid of me. Again, I know it's dumb. I thought it was fun. He never said anything before now. I've been doing it since I moved in with him. He actually would prefer it if I packed everything normal. He just didn't want to hurt my feelings, he said. The worst part is I was bringing this stuff in for everyone. And on his birthday, I made them all cupcakes with little edible briefcases and, I'm sorry, on top that said 40. I thought they all loved them. So right here, she admits that he's 40, but she really pushed that way into the post. I always think things are cool that other adults think are weird. Even when I was around 15 or 16, I was always immature for my age. I still wanted to do kid stuff and watch kid shows, and everyone had moved on. Now I'm getting like war flashbacks from my friends making fun of me for it. LOL. I thought everyone would find my lunches fun, but apparently they are embarrassing. Also, he's a good husband. I understand where he's coming from. I just feel bad and a bit embarrassed. Baking my cookies and muffins in regular shapes tonight in sadness. LOL. I'll get over it. I think I'm about to get my period though because I should not be crying over this. Maybe she's acting immature for her age because she's 14 years younger than this man. And maybe someone else her age or doing things more age appropriate would make her a little bit happier. She's embarrassed. She keeps throwing all of these LOLs in there and she's throwing all these emojis in there because she is still very young. These age gaps are so kind of problematic. I don't know what you think about these, but I really dislike these. And the fact that this man, who is a 40-year-old man and an attorney, he couldn't speak up. He let her do this for 3 years. That is a hot mess. This man couldn't speak up for himself, saying he doesn't like something. That's obviously weird, especially knowing that she's going to keep on doing it because she does keep doing it. I'm sure that that he sees her searching for ideas and all of that. And he just let her do this. He let her put her energy into this and didn't say anything until 3 years later. Consume the 1% says, is he 40? She says, he just turned 40. Yes. And then Consume the 1% says, you've been dating for 3 years and you're 26. He's 40. Yeah, that puts this post in a whole different perspective, hun. All right, Throwaway says he's 40 and owns a law firm. You don't really get to his level much younger than 40, lol. And then says, I don't know why I'm being downvoted. I was just saying he doesn't deal with ageism. He's the boss and everyone knows he's 40. You see how much he was downvoted for that. Dubalicious says he doesn't deal with ageism, girl, and then does the laugh emoji. Sad Faithlessness says, Bunny, he married you when you were 23, presumably started dating you rather younger than that, with him being more than a decade your senior all the while. And you're here demonstrating why he'd go after someone naive and impressionable. He gets to have his cute girl cake and eat it by telling it how embarrassing it is too. And you're looking for ways to conform to his preferences rather than, reflecting on why he'd pursue someone so much younger than himself if he's, well, the person you describe him being. And he's got you stay at home wifing, so your options are wildly limited when you're mature enough to look at someone 14 years your junior and realize you never find them appealing. And then you start thinking about who he had to be interested in you in the first place. Then he'll go back to the well of young in Junes who aren't wise enough to realize it's no compliment that he's interested. Yes, who is he? Why is this man that's this much older interested in this young woman? That is so problematic. Weary Dreamer says, "Oh man, I would have loved this. If it makes any difference, I think it sounds lovely and a fun gesture and would have appreciated the heck out of it." And then she says, "I'm a lawyer, do not give an F about what others think, although I genuinely think my coworkers would have fawned over it." You got Sarah Batrio saying, "Also a lawyer, and the people at my office would love this. Your husband's firm sounds a little stuffy." Unsuccessful B says, "Yeah, in Big Law, which can be notoriously stuffy, people would get a kick out of this. People that I've worked with, anyways, and me. So they're trying to make this young lady feel better about her cupcakes and pastries and all of that." I Love Psychology says, "You have to be a troll, right? Otherwise, I do find it concerning that a 40-year-old has chosen someone who has the mentality and acts like an 8-year-old. It's not illegal, but I guess you get to be with a child without worrying about the law. Is there a reason he didn't choose someone who matches him intelligence and ambition wise?" And to that, this is the OP. She deleted the post, and that's the reason why there's no OP beside this. But she says, "I'm sorry, I do not act like an 8-year-old, and it's pretty rude to say. He's too good for me because he has a better job and is more intelligent. I assure you, he didn't downgrade to me because he can see my value. Maybe I like some fun stuff that others my age don't, but I do not act like a child. I'm a good person, and he loves me for who I am." He was looking for a housewife and a stay at home mom. So why would he be with someone career driven? When he met me, he said I was beautiful, sweet, and was great with all the kids at the party. I was working. If you don't see value in those qualities, it's fine. But he did, and that's all that matters to me. I Love Psychology says he sees values in the qualities of a child. Yes, that doesn't sound predatory at all. So you're saying he wanted someone beautiful and empty headed with no ambition. 8-year-olds aren't bad people either. Doesn't act like a child. Checks notes, always been immature for age. Only job she has is playing princess dress ups for an hour or two at a time. Nothing childish there. And then she says, "Laughing my effing butt off, calling me empty headed is insane. Again, you know absolutely nothing about me." He said he thought I was sweet and beautiful. None of that insinuated I was empty headed. You're just looking for any reason to insult me, which, by the way, is extremely immature. Being beautiful and sweet are also not qualities of a child. I have no clue what you're even trying to say there. Adults are beautiful and sweet too. I think you're the one who's empty headed." So they ran her off of this post. You see, she deleted her account. You see, she deleted the post. Here she is before she deleted it saying, "Hey guys, this was just a silly vent, but considering the fact that it has turned into a bunch of people harassing me and saying that I'm going to make a terrible mother and my husband is cheating on me and abusing me, I got to delete it. It was never that serious, and you guys don't know anything about me, so I'm not sure why grown adults are here insulting me and my marriage any chance they get. I am definitely deleting Reddit and never coming back. Going to be with my loving husband and not you crazy people. LOL." So she keeps putting this LOL, but these age gaps are problematic. And the way she's acting, obviously she's immature and he's around 14 years is a big age gap, in my opinion. And y'all should know by now, I really, really dislike these age gaps. It doesn't sound like she's a bad person or anything. She is just acting her age, and he's I don't know. Y'all go ahead and chime in on your thoughts. Go ahead, just like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think.